Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where machines are becoming smarter by the day. In this video, we'll explore the basics of AI, its current applications, and its potential future impact on our lives. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. At the core of AI is the idea of a neural network, a system of algorithms that can learn from data. Just like the human brain, a neural network is made up of layers of interconnected nodes, or artificial neurons, that process information. One of the most well-known applications of AI is in self-driving cars. These cars use a variety of sensors, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR, to gather information about their surroundings. They then use AI algorithms to interpret this data and make decisions about how to navigate the road. Self-driving cars have the potential to improve road safety and reduce traffic congestion. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in healthcare. AI-powered robots are increasingly being used in surgeries, helping doctors to perform delicate procedures with greater precision and accuracy. These robots can also assist in tasks such as diagnostics and treatment planning, which can help to improve patient outcomes. AI is also being used in a wide range of industries, from finance and retail to manufacturing and agriculture. In these fields, AI algorithms are used to analyze large amounts of data and make predictions about future trends. This can help businesses to make better decisions and improve their bottom line. One of the most exciting areas of AI research is in the development of humanoid robots. These robots are designed to look and move like humans, and are being developed for a wide range of tasks, from companionship to search and rescue. While we're still a long way off from creating robots that can truly think and feel like humans, the progress that's been made in recent years is truly remarkable. AI is a rapidly growing field with the potential to change our lives in ways we can't even imagine. While there are certainly challenges to be addressed, from ethical concerns to job displacement, the benefits of AI are undeniable. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what AI is and what it can do. Another common application of AI is in virtual assistants. These are software programs that can understand natural language and respond to spoken or written commands. They can be found on devices such as smartphones, smart speakers, and laptops. Virtual assistants can help users with tasks such as setting reminders, making phone calls, and searching the internet. They are becoming increasingly sophisticated and are able to handle more complex requests. The process of training an AI model is called machine learning. This involves feeding large amounts of data into a neural network and allowing the network to learn from the data. The more data an AI model is trained on, the better it becomes at making predictions. This is why machine learning is often referred to as learning from data. One of the biggest challenges in AI is in the area of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the ability of a computer to understand human language, and it's a critical component in areas such as virtual assistants and chatbots. Researchers are working to improve NLP algorithms so that machines can understand and respond to complex human language in a more natural way. AI is also being used in cybersecurity to detect and prevent cyber attacks. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data from a variety of sources, such as network traffic and log files, to identify abnormal behavior. This can help to detect cyber threats before they can cause damage. As we've seen, AI is already being used in a wide range of applications, and the possibilities are endless. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. And with continued research and development, we can expect to see even more amazing things in the future. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in manufacturing. Industrial robots powered by AI can work alongside human workers to increase productivity and efficiency. These robots can handle tasks such as welding, painting, and assembling with precision and accuracy, reducing the need for repetitive human labor. Another application of AI is in chatbots, which are computer programs that can simulate human conversation. They can be found on websites and messaging apps, and can help customers with tasks such as making a purchase, checking an order status, or answering a question. Chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and can understand more complex human language, making the customer experience more seamless. Facial recognition technology is another area of AI that is growing rapidly. It uses AI algorithms to analyze facial features and match them with a database of known individuals. This technology is being used in a variety of applications, from security systems to unlocking smartphones. While there are concerns about privacy and civil liberties, facial recognition technology has the potential to improve security and convenience in our daily lives. AI is a rapidly growing field that is already having a big impact on our lives. From self-driving cars to manufacturing, healthcare to chatbots, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. With continued research and development, we can expect to see even more amazing things in the future. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos on artificial intelligence.